Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a Binance to Revolut. And there's actually two ways to do this, guys. I'm going to show you the two ways. One is to transfer crypto assets to a peer-to-peer wallet, okay? First things first, of course, log in to your Binance account. And then once you're in, guys, what you're going to do is you want to click on wallet, okay? And then click on fiat and spot, okay? Click on wallet, then click on fiat and spot. And then what you want to do is you want to review the assets that are available in your balance. And then what you want to do is click on the transfer button right here from the upper navigation bar. And then when you come here, guys, you will see these options. So what you're going to do here is you want to choose the funding option as the destination wallet, and you want to select the asset that you'd actually like to sell in the Binance peer-to-peer platform and enter the amount. For example, if you want to sell max, just click on max, then tap on confirm a transfer afterward. And of course, guys, you can also copy the Revolut tag. Come click on your profile here, okay, profile icon. Then you'll see your tag right here. You want to copy that, okay. And then, guys, of course, you want to add your Revolut bank details to Binance P2P. Click on trade, click on P2P, and then right here, what you want to do is go to this option at the top right, click on more, click on payment methods, and then you want to add a payment method right here. Scroll down and you want to look for Revolut in the drop down list, or you can filter out Revolut with the search bar. Then you have to paste in your Revolut tag, and it's optional to paste your phone number, and then you can click on confirm in the second field and approve the action via your two-factor authentication setup. And then, of course, all you need to do is initiate the sell order. So in the P2P platform, the peer-to-peer platform, click on P2P and then click on sell. Choose this option right here, Revolut. And then you want to look for people who have a really high completion rate and a good price. So for example, this person has a 91.5% completion rate, much better than this guy, and he offers a pretty good rate. So if you like the rate and the completion rate, you can go ahead and sell your USDT to that person or any other crypto asset, and they will pay you via Revolut, okay? And then, guys, what's going to happen, you will come to this page right here. What you want to do is, of course, you need to enter the amount you want to sell, and then it will show you how much USD you will receive. And then click on sell USD, and you'll basically initiate the order. And then after you click on sell, a new order will start up with the status pending payment. And then you can use the chat button to basically contact and communicate with the buyer. And once the buyer makes payment to Revolut, the order status will change to release crypto to buyer, okay? Then you just have to open your Revolut account and then refresh your account balance, and you want to ensure you confirm the payment received before you actually click on payment received. So as soon as you click on payment received, what's going to happen is the crypto funds will be released to the buyer. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.